Good morning, students. Today we will study about the banking. This is the second chapter of the class 10th ICSE. So, what is banking? Before study the banking, first we will study about the bank. What is bank? A bank is an institution which carries on the business of taking deposits and lending money. Rate of interest charged by the bank from its borrowers is usually higher than what is paid to depositors. In addition to money taking and lending money, the banks also perform other functions. Almost every individual and each sector of our life. So, this is the definition of the bank. Now, what is banking? What is banking? The business of receiving, safeguarding, and lending money is known as banking. Banking is very easy concept in your curriculum, but it gives bother sometime regarding calculation. Your calculation sometime tricky, sometime easy, but if you do your calculation with your focused mind, then you got the good marks. You can collect good marks in your final term examination of the ICSE board paper. So today we will discuss about the concept behind the banking, and after getting understand this concept of the banking, you are able to do attempt the question, and your question will be sure and certain correct. Now, bank or banking, I have already clarified it. In addition to money taking and lending money, the bank also perform other functions like receiving money from customers, lending money as they give loans to needy at concession rate to farmer, petty shopkeeper, and educated unemployment to start their business. Bank also provides other services for like the salary to the government or the private sector employee. It also helps to deposit the school fee and also provide the bills like electricity, telephone, etc. Not only these functions are there of the bank, lot of functions of the bank in our life. And after this, bank also provide the ATM to withdraw the money, credit card and debit card, some other facility, etc. This is the definition of the bank and banking and facility provided by the bank. Second things is the accounts. How many types of accounts are there? Different type of account like saving bank account, current account, fixed deposit account, RD account, and we will not discuss about in detail about all these accounts. But saving account is the account everyone can open and deposit his or her money. Current account is especially for the businessman, industrial person, and fixed deposit, it is a special type of the account when we have or you have the excess amount of money at your home and you want to deposit the bank and you want to earn the money of this extra money of this your finance. So you will submit your deposit your money to the bank, and after that, after the fixed period of time, bank provide you return as a interest and your principal. And last account is the RD. RD means recurring deposit account. The RD account in your syllabus. First we will clarify what is the RD. RD, full form of RD is a recurring deposit account. Recurring means occurring again and again. So what is the RD account? This is a special type of bank account. If any individual open an RD account in any bank, and the bank he submit a regular or fixed amount of money in every month for a fixed duration. After the expiry of the fixed duration, bank return to his customer maturity money like the amount. Amount include the amount deposited by the customer and interest over that money. So we will tell you the formula, how to calculate the interest, how to calculate the amount, and to solve your calculation. So I hope you can get it. What is the formula? Basically, interest, you know, interest I is the first letter of the interest. I equals to P. P is the principal. Here principal means money deposit every month. That is what P, and rate of interest R. Time. Time is T, but your money is depositing every month, so we will not take T. We are using the N plus 1 upon 2 into 100 and 12. 12 means is your formula, or simple you can write it P N plus 1 into rate of interest upon 2 into 12 into 100. Your formula for interest. Maturity value. Maturity value means मतलब money submitted, money deposited by plus interest provided by the bank. Money means number of month, and every month submitted or deposited money plus interest. That is what P N plus 1 R upon 100. This gives the maturity value or total amount, we can say ANP. This is your only one formula to find the maturity value. Different teachers, different books, first they find the interest and they find the total money deposited in the bank for the fixed duration, and after they will add both them and they will find the maturity value. So this is not a method. You can use the direct method, you will get the correct answer and full marks. Clear? Now, what type of problem occur in your examination in your books? There are 4 types of problem will be handled by you in your book, in your examination. Number 1, problem type of problem, types of problems. Find problem number type 1, find N means number of month. Very important thing we want to discuss here, N is the number of months. Sometime or maximum time in your question, time will be given in years or in year. Make sure you will convert your year in months after multiplying by 12. Suppose in question, any customer deposited money as an RD account for the 1.5 year, then how many months are there? 1 month मतलब 12, 1 year मतलब 12 months plus half year, that is 6 months. So total 18 months will be there. What is the value of a this one? Similarly, question can ask for 3 years. So you can multiply 12 by 3, that is what 36 months. So what is the value of n? That is what 36. Make sure convert always year into the months, and you can put the value in. Type 1, find n, that was number of months, and after getting months you can divide by 12. So then second thing is that what? Find the principal. Principal matlab P, money deposited by you every month. N, type second, rate of interest, that is what R, and type 4, maturity value. These 4 types of problem will be asked in your examination, and we will solve the problem in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.